There. Okay. Now I can put it on this wrist. Film with this hand. Tuggy with this hand. But we're going over here so you can watch Papa Boomer. You can see he's in the excavator and he's snow plowing. So we're trying to stay out of his way. But at the same time, I was looking at that and thought, oh, I should be filming that. People would probably like to see Papa Boomer plowing. Believe it or not, we drove in here, 4-wheel drive. Yeah, we still are doing it. It's darn near February, end of January here. And darn near February, and we're still driving in. Last year we were able to drive in all year long. I don't know that's gonna happen this year, but today and tomorrow she's gonna get warm up here, really warm. And we are gonna walk over to where they're logging, so you might get another little video of those loggers over by on our 11 acres across the rural. But yeah, Molly's liking this. She's got more paths. I have to put a coat on her or she has snowballs like you wouldn't believe. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. I thought he'd be able to get through there, and he sure did. Look at that nice plowed out area there. See, that guy does good work. Don't tell him though. His head gets really big. Run over your dog here, sir. He's spinning around. Yeah, that's a nice thing. Yeah, he just spins around. Changes direction. Now he's going to pull it away from the... So he's dropping the plow. Now he's going to scrape it away from the door. Scraping area away. Beautiful. And he'll go and do that a couple times, I'm thinking. He's in control. Whoa, he's got closer than I thought he'd be able to. Pulling it away. Now this is what you guys really want to watch. You really want to watch Papa Boomer and his excavator. I gave him those famous words when we got here. Start that excavator up, you gotta do some plowing. Hey, I'm serious. He doesn't plow that, I gotta shovel that. I'd rather have him plow it. Pine shoveling to do just a little bit by the door and stuff, you know. But it won't be bad, not at all. I'll have to clean off that table because we're going to fill up water jugs today too. We got an order this time from some of our friends. They want some of that good spring water from the Northwoods. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Just swings around like he's dancing out there. I'll tell you, some smooth moves when he's in the excavator. You put those 2 feet on a dance floor, it's a different story. It is a different story. He's got some moves. He's got some moves. He don't like to use them. No, sorry, he do not like to use them. Finally, look at, she's finally going pedals. Took her forever to find a spot. Took you forever, little girl. Oh, look at that face. And then when we walk up to the 11, check on those loggers. Pretty sure we're going to leave Miss Molly behind and put her in the truck or in the cabin, one or the other. I don't think he started a fire in the cabin yet. Maybe he did. I've seen his smoke. Well, we found one mouse in there today in the attic. That's what we've been finding, just one. And we throw that on the stump for the fox that we've named Terry. We have a fox around here. We named him Terry. And Terry the fox will come back later tonight and get that mouse. Now see, we got to bring some wood into the cabin, so he's going to plow all the way to the container. You should see this dog. She's got me wrapped up. Look at that. She's got me tied right up. What? You gonna go for another loop? Huh? Oh, no wonder she makes me swear. At least I only say the F word, yeah. Because I'm Irish. We say the F word all the time. But we don't take the Lord's name in vain. Nope, 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 no. That's the way the Irish do it. Okay, I'm unwinding. Hope I didn't get you too dizzy. Go. He's going to plow in front of his container. Oh, you know, he might want to get something out of there. I'm not sure what he wants to get out of there, but he might have something he wants to get out of there. Tell you one thing I'm going to do. I'm going to get a measuring stick. Measure how deep the snow is up there where, see the tracks go up behind the excavator. He was actually up there with the truck, and I just walked up there with the dog. Man, that was deep up there, very deep. Deeper than I thought it was. We'll find out. I'll maybe take a picture of that. How deep. I gotta unwind again the dog, you know the drill. And yeah. I'll probably take that, and that'll be my picture coming into this film here. Okay, 10 minutes, that's enough. Yep. God bless. That's the dog again. Yeah.